Hi guys, back again to another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the ear speaker problem in your device Redmi 10A and 10C. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can get new videos. Now if the ear speaker, or you can say the calling speaker of the device, is not working, you can solve this problem as I will show you in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the ear speaker or calling speaker issue in your device. Let's watch it.